What is up, everyone? Today, I've got something special for you. I'm going to walk you through exactly how to navigate the Binance ecosystem. First things first, let's jump right into the actual sign-up architecture. Simply go ahead and click that official link located right below in the description box, and you're unlocking a massive 50% fee payback and securing a $600 rewards bonus all at once. Once you land on the official Binance signup page, you'll be presented with the option to create your account using either your email address or phone number. Go ahead and input the details you'd like to use. Now, don't forget to give those terms and conditions a look and make sure to check that agreement box. Once that's handled, just hit that continue button at the bottom. In just a matter of seconds, a 6-digit verification code will be dispatched to the email or phone you provided. Go ahead, open that up, grab the digits, and type them in. Hit that continue button. Now, it is time to secure with a strong password. Keep in mind that for maximum security, your password must be at least 8 characters long and include at least one number and one uppercase letter. And just like that, your account creation is officially complete. If an inviter code screen pops up, just ensure our specific code is entered. Moving right along, we need to handle the KYC, or Identity Verification Protocol. This is a vital, non-negotiable step because you actually must complete this verification before you're even allowed to deposit funds, withdraw your earnings, or execute a single trade on the platform. Because this specific process involves facial scan, we are going to switch to your mobile phone, install the Binance app, and launch it. Log in using the fresh credentials we just established, and the app should automatically guide you straight into the verification interface. Start things off by confirming your nationality. Next, you'll need to choose which specific form of ID. You can use a national ID card, a driver's license, or a passport. They typically process within 5 minutes. Select Take Pictures as your primary submission method and hit Continue. You'll want to take a crystal clear photo of both the front and the back of your ID. After that is confirmed, it's time for the facial scan. Just carefully fit your face into the oval frame displayed on the screen. Once the scan is successful and verified, you'll just need to quickly confirm your core details like your full name, date of birth, and your current residential address. Hit that Continue button. Then simply select your current occupation and click Continue, and finally pick your specific industry and hit Continue once more. This review process typically takes only about 5 minutes, and you can easily verify your verified status by glancing at your profile screen. Now that your identity is locked in, we need to talk about high-level security. Let's set up your two-factor authentication, or 2FA. For this technical part, let's head back over to your PC screen. Look at the left-hand menu under the Account tab and click on Security. You'll see a specific option for Authenticator App. Go ahead and click Manage right next to that. When you click Enable Authenticator App, Binance is going to send a quick verification code to your email or phone just as a safety check to make sure it's really you. Enter that code and a unique QR code window will pop up on your monitor. Just leave that window open for a second while we grab our mobile devices again. Go ahead and download the Google Authenticator app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Once it's installed and ready, open it up and tap Get Started at the bottom. Now, I personally recommend clicking Use without signing in. From there, hit the Add a Code button and select Scan a QR code. Simply point your phone camera at that QR code sitting on your PC screen. Immediately, a 6-digit OTP for Binance will start appearing and cycling in the app. Head back to your computer, click Next, and enter those 6 digits from your phone directly into the Binance field, then hit Submit. And just like that, your Google OTP is fully activated and functional. If this guide was helpful, please do leave a like,